If this cracks at all, you're getting a brand new phone. Are you ready? Oh! So last year, we asked strangers to drop the iPhone in all sorts of different ways to try and see what it took to break using a RhinoShield case and a RhinoShield screen protector. The results were surprising. Well, this year, RhinoShield came out with an even more powerful screen protector that's not based on glass.
Glass is glass, and glass breaks.
But a super resistant, flexible polymer. So this year, to see how strong these new protectors really are, we're gonna be helping people break the phone by offering them a bunch of different items that they can drop it on. And if they can get the screen to crack at all, we're gonna give them a brand new phone. Of course, as it's now tradition, as a social experiment, but mostly just for the fun of it, we're gonna offer people the chance to destroy the phone outright, no strings attached. Okay, so I have two options for you, okay? You can either take this iPhone 11 Pro Max and just destroy it for no reason, just for the fun of it. Does that sound fun to you?
Maybe.
Or play a game to try and win an iPhone 11 Pro for yourself.
Oh, the satisfaction of breaking it, or the satisfaction of winning it.
I do be needing a phone though.
You want me to explain the game to you first?
Yeah.
All right, so the game is, I actually put a RhinoShield screen protector and case on this phone. Okay, so I put the case on, it's got a screen protector, and you have to try and drop it in any way you want, and if you get the screen to crack at all, then you get the new phone. Which would you rather do?
Play the game.
Probably option two.
Probably option two,
Yeah.
to win the phone? Okay, that's a brand new
I'll
phone.
go for the game.
Let's play a game.
Okay.
You want to try and play the game?
Yeah.
That one.
You want to try and play the game?
Yeah. So if it breaks, I can keep it?
So if the screen cracks at all, you get the brand new phone. You don't have to keep the broken one either. You get a
Okay.
brand new one, okay?
Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Oh my, I missed it.
Check it out, it sounded pretty bad. Let's see, let's see.
It's not cracked. I missed the rock. That's tough.
Survived.
Does it have to go flat? I could drop it in the corner.
You can drop it however you like.
All right.
It's up to you.
I wonder,
Whatever you
eh?
think. We're just trying to help you to break it. Whatever you think has the most chance of breaking it.
I think I would use the rock.
You want to try and use the rock? Oh, that was
Bingo.
a direct hit.
I'm sure there's
Yeah,
a crack
you want to
on
go check it out? Yeah,
Oh,
see if it's cracked? If it's cracked, you get a new phone. Oh, rats.
No.
How's it look? Here, show the camera. How does it look? Does it look good?
Looks good. Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Oh, I got an idea.
Aha, he wants to get some height. He's gonna drop from a height just like that. I don't know. Oh! Ooh. That sounded bad. Let's give it a look. Feel free to take a look. Check it out. Oh man, oh man.
Oh, nothing. Oh.
Did you expect it to break when you dropped from that height?
I've heard about Rhino case before, so I was a little...
He's seen our videos before. He knows about our channel.
Take the nail.
You want to take the nail?
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Go ahead. You want to put it on the table?
Yeah.
It's not, you're not going to be able to get as high up then, potentially.
I think it's more likely to hit it though.
Yeah, that's true.
So what do you think's going to happen? You think it's going to break?
Oh, it's gonna smash for sure. I need
Go for it.
Oh, you totally missed. Okay, what's the technique? What do you think?
I think it is better on the ground and definitely on an angle. Really trying to let your fingers go so that it goes straight down and it doesn't twist.
All right, give it a shot.
Yeah. Oh, I kind of give it a twist at the end. I overthought it.
Let's see, let's give it a shot.
It hit the nail.
Perfectly fine.
Oh my god.
Perfectly fine.
Is this an ad for iPhone?
This is actually an ad for the RhinoShield screen protector. It's pretty like low profile, but it actually gives like a lot of protection. So hopefully it doesn't break any of our tests, but we'll see. If someone does manage to break it, then they'll get the phone. So we'll see. You're probably gonna have the best bet dropping on concrete. Probably the best option.
I know that case.
You know the case? You heard it before?
Yeah. Off the bridge. Can we do it off the bridge? Like onto the cement?
Oh boy, he's climbing all the way up here. Okay, so if this cracks at all, you're getting a brand new phone, all right? As long as it's not, whoa. Oh,
It didn't even land on the screen.
Oh. Okay, well here, I'll check it out here. Let me take it. It looks like the screen survived. Looks fantastic. This is the new screen protector from RhinoShield. It's not glass, but it's like super resistant. There you go.
Shit!
Perfectly Perfectly clean. Okay, well, we have one other thing you can try if you're down to do it. We have a little circle that we can place on the ground, and you can try and throw it up. Okay, we're trying to up the ante a little bit here. You can throw it up in the air as high as you want, as long as it lands in the circle.
Right.
We don't want a hazard where you throw it and it lands in someone.
So it has to land in the circle.
Has to land in the circle.
Right.
Doesn't land in the circle, doesn't count.
Let's give
Make
it a
sense?
go.
What's your strategy? You're gonna just try and spin it, or just go straight?
I think Newton's law, get as high as possible.
Okay, here you go. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, didn't land in the circle. We'll check it out anyway.
Sadly
Let's
for
see,
you,
let's see, let's see.
No,
And
no good.
it survived. Good throw though, good throw, you were close. If it cracks at all, you get this phone.
for you, Leo.
And just so you know, there's a very real chance. Done this video before, they do break.
Okay.
Okay, you give it a shot?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, here we go.
It doesn't know.
Oh, it didn't quite make it in the circle. It didn't crack either. It wasn't that high of a throw. Does anyone else want to give it a try?
Yeah, might as well. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Oh! Go and crack. Didn't even crack. Look at that. All right.
Oh, I totally missed. Wow. I am terrible.
All right, give it a shot.
That was even worse than mine.
Not enough
It's
to break
unbreakable.
it. Not enough to break it. Oh, it was in the circle. It was perfect in the circle.
That counts?
Let's check it out. That counts,
counts.
yep. It looks like it did not crack. Oh, let's check it out. Oh, see? That was a pretty loud smack. How's it looking? Looks like it's a little dirty. It looks like it survived. All right, so we've gotten up on a bridge here. We're up in the ante a little bit. Give us a little countdown and then give us the toss, all right? You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh! You did not land on the nail. Okay, let's run down and check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. That was a good toss, though. That was a great toss. All right, let's go. So it looks like you got the corner damage pretty well there, but it didn't crack. So it looks like you impacted there, maybe not on the screen. That's why. So a glass screen protector looks great and protects the phone, but who protects the screen protector? You might be familiar with the feeling of breaking your screen protector and then being stuck with it until you can get a new one. RhinoShield's 3D Impact Screen Protector is a new technology that looks and feels as good as glass, but can withstand a lot more abuse. Is this like impossible to break? I think the absorption of this is making it actually impossible to break. There's no other screen protector like this on the market right now, and they fit perfectly with RhinoShield's super resistant protective cases.
I need a new phone really bad.
Yeah, you need a new phone. What kind of phone do you have right now?
iPhone 6.
We're gonna get you to actually hang over the edge in order to drop this straight down onto the ground. And if the screen cracks at all, you win the new phone.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. What are the chances you think it's actually gonna break at this point?
I know RhinoShield's pretty good, but I'm hoping like 90% chance to break. Yeah, I'm crossing my fingers.
Yeah, all right.
I never even got to use an iPhone 11 out of the Apple Store, and here I am dropping one.
All right, so Max, how do you feel? Are you nervous?
Very nervous. Oh, oh my.
How's it feel?
Oh man. Oh my.
Try and like reach your right hand out and see if that'll work. Maybe you can just do it like that if you lean out.
Oh, that might work. I don't know if I can go much farther.
Lean on that.
Oh. Oh.
It won't go anywhere.
I know it's not going to go anywhere.
Locked in.
Oh man. All right. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I see it. I see it dropped. There you go. If it's cracked at all, this brand new iPhone is yours, Max.
Oh, come on.
Are you ready to climb down and see?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. So technically you could rappel down, I guess, if you want to.
No thanks.
No thanks. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I could lean more to get it farther away.
So it's a little bit scarier than you maybe thought, huh?
Oh yeah, for sure.
What are your percent chance you think it broke at this point?
95.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, super nervous. Oh, there it is.
Oh, it is.
No way, no way.
All right, go ahead and flip it over. Let's see. The back looks immaculate.
It looks
Let's
fine.
see. Let's see.
No way. No way.
Wait, take a look at this.
No,
it's
breaking.
still recording.
In one corner, it looks broken.
He's like, it's still broken.
The screen still works? What?
No way, dude.
What?
I feel bad, dude. I wanted you to win this phone. I thought for sure, like, look, check out that cliff right now. Check how high that is. We dropped it from all the way up there. I don't even know what to do. I didn't plan for this to happen. I don't even know what to say at this point. Well, it looks like we might have to think up something new in order to destroy this phone.
I hate RhinoShield. All my homies hate RhinoShield. That's unbelievable.
I'm gonna go and call David and see what he wants to do. All right, so to be honest, we really thought that was gonna break the phone, but you know, there's a limit to everything, and we intend to test that today. Obviously, we don't recommend doing this to your own phone. Realistically, if you have a RhinoShield screen protector and case, your phone should never break again. It's better and cheaper than AppleCare. There's links in the description. Use our code TechKaboom for 20% off for the first week, and then 10% off after that. But it's time to see what happens when we drop a phone out of a helicopter. Yeah.
Give us a countdown there, Ted, when you're ready to go. You can just go and drop.
Like right now?
Yeah, rock and roll.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! I saw it land, It landed on the concrete pad, so it looks like I think that's the best option for you. Nice work.
Thank you. Oh man. Where is the phone?
I see it right there.
It looks pretty clean though.
No way, I see it right there. It was good.
What?
No way.
It looks too good.
Oh no, this is not good. Good throw, Kurt. You did well.
Congratulations on your helicopter ride, but I don't think you got a new phone.
Yeah, looks like maybe not.
Let's check it out. It looks fine. It looks fine. Oh my goodness. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. No way. Does it turn on? Oh! No way. Look. The back is completely smashed. Okay, let's see if it turns on. Let's see if it turns on. Wait. No! Yes! It doesn't turn on. I'm gonna try and take this case off to see. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, you got a new
It looks like it did it. It looks like the phone did not survive.
So cool.
The back completely shattered.
Like purple looking.
Wow. The rule technically was if the screen cracks at all. And the screen is in fact not cracked at all. But of course, we're gonna give you a new phone for that. That's absolutely destroyed. It's absolutely destroyed.
Thank you.
I think it's time we finally give away a phone, and we wanted to give this phone to someone the whole time. So finally, I think now's the time. Kirsty, you are the proud owner of a brand new iPhone 11 Pro. There you go. Hope you like the color gold.
I do.
I wonder if we could wrap the helicopter.
Okay, guys, if you want an iPhone 11 Pro Max for yourself, we're gonna be giving one away every 100,000 subscribers until we reach 1 million. We're giving away a brand new phone at every milestone. So click that subscribe button, and if you haven't yet, you're probably gonna wanna go check out our last RhinoShield video. There'll be a link over there or in the description. And lastly, don't forget to pick yourself up a RhinoShield case. There's more than 200 designs available for both iPhone and most Android flagships. Use our code TechKaboom again for 20% off in the first week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.